To my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn about top 6 functions that help you to clean data as a pro in Excel. So we are going to begin, and the first function is the trim, and we want to trim the farmer column. So type trim, tab, then you click OK, and then we want to clean, and we're going to clean the comments. So type clean, tab, we are going to do a substitute, and we're going to substitute email.com with Gmail. So it's equal to substitute. So the text, we're going to do this, and the alt text is email. So it's email.com. Then new text will be gmail.com, close the bracket. So we have substitute the email with Gmail. So the next one we want to do proper, and we're going to convert inconsistency name capitalization into proper. So we are going to use the column name. So it's equal to proper. Let's not use that one. Let's use this one. So the name has been put in proper, where we have the capitalization of each and every name. And then also you can use both the proper and trim to do more cleaning in the name section or column. So you can do proper, then trim. So it is going to do proper and clean any space. So it has cleaned that. So and then we can do replace. Is equal to replace. So we want to replace all text. So we want to replace the farmer code contains are here. So we want to replace this, and then start number we want it to be 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 5, then 4, then we want to replace it to 2027, close the bracket. Then so let's see, it was 2026, so it has been replaced by 2027. And then we can do LEN is equal to LEN. So LEN is going to count how many characters. So we're going to do this. There are 23. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So that's how you can do small cleaning. It's not small, they are very powerful cleaning, and you become pro when it comes to Excel, and you have a very clean data that you can now proceed to do analysis. Remember that cleaning is very necessary steps that you're supposed to carry out before any data analysis, so that you avoid getting errors, or you avoid maybe even getting incorrect output when you do your analysis. Thank you so much for watching this video. For the new subscribers, welcome to a great channel. For those who are returning back, welcome back. Tune in for more videos which are knowledgeable and more ideas that are going to help you to make your work easier, to earn a living out there. Thank you so much.